Today's salon visit is to Ikea Beauty Bar. It's located on Hillside Avenue in Queens, New York. Very clean environment, very nice people. They took me last minute, so of course I'm oh so grateful. And here's my dry hair. What's new? So we start off by trying to hydrate my hair with some water. As you can see, this joint is so dry that it's starting to look gray and the water is sitting on top of it. Then she gets to shampooing, making sure there's a lather. So yeah, like I said, that felt so good. I don't know how I didn't fall asleep. But basically she's just lifting the dirt off of my scalp with that comb. Not captured here, she put in a deep conditioning treatment and now I am under the dryer. Dryer's done. I think we all know the process. Basically, she's going to wash it out now. Now that we're all clean, it's time to dry. Oh, we got Frederick Douglass on the screen, y'all. She is spritzing and spraying with what I believe is a leave-in conditioner so that my hair will be moisturized before she sections it off to detangle and then to dry. So actually maybe it's a detangling potion. Who knows? So now that I'm looking at the amount of smoke coming through my hair, I'm reminded of the fact that there was a slight miscommunication. She was under the impression that I came for a soap press. I just needed my dirty scalp washed. So once we settled that, she adjusted the temperature of the blow dryer so that I could just get a regular wash and blow. As you can see, everything is seamless, it's smooth, and my hair is flipping and flopping just the way I like it. Which leads me to believe that the product I was confused about was actually some sort of heat protectant that was silicone based and not just a regular leave-in conditioner. And now she's just oiling my scalp. I love when I get my scalp oiled. So I was lucky enough to have the owner, Ikea, do my hair. Tell her I sent you.